In this video, you'll learn how to deactivate your Binance account. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure your account is properly deactivated. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you will see your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Profile to access your profile settings. After accessing your profile settings, look for the Security section in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Security to open the Security settings page. Within this area, locate the Account Management section. It may take a moment for the page to load, so be patient. Once loaded, find the option to deactivate your account. Next, click on the Deactivate Account option. If prompted, you may need to select a reason for your deactivation. This step is important as it may help improve the platform. After selecting your reason, carefully confirm your decision to deactivate your account to proceed. Make sure to read any warnings or information presented to you before confirming. Once you confirm your deactivation request, you may be required to complete a verification process. This could involve entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Follow the instructions provided on the screen to complete this verification step. It is important to finish this process to ensure your request is successfully submitted. After submitting your deactivation request, you will need to wait for a confirmation notification from Binance. This notification will indicate that your account has been successfully deactivated. At this point, you will no longer be able to log into your account. If you decide to reactivate your account in the future, you may need to contact support for assistance. The deactivation process is now complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.